Hey guys, it's Max. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something that I've never actually done in the history of this channel, and that is unboxing a product. So this is a video that I'm very excited about, and I've been excited to do for a while, but I will say that it's been an exhausting week. Brexit was passed, the Senate voted, coronavirus news. In fact, I felt sick yesterday after watching too many videos about the coronavirus. Okay, so let's get into this. Today we are unboxing the Mavic Mini Everyday Fly Cam replacement from DJI. So this is one that I got because I crashed it a few weeks back, and I did a whole video about explaining why I have this and all that. So unboxing videos tend to make me really anxious because I'm worried that the camera isn't on, but I'm sure that it's on. Okay, I'm not sure how you do this. Do you just cut it like that? Okay. Oh wow. Oh, that was a satisfying pull. Okay, so I actually don't know what's in this container, this box, because I just need the drone itself as a replacement, because I already have this, which is the Fly More kit, which I got with the last one, the original one that I purchased. So really, I don't know what they've sent me in here. So, oh my god. Am I ever going to be able to? Oh. What? Oh. Oh, everyone, I am... Here. Okay. Oh no! Desk, you have been abused. I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. Oh my. That's really, really depressing. It's just the drone. Okay. All right. Well. Okay. Okay, so like I said, I had no idea what was going to be in this box, and that is a lovely little surprise. I knew it was going to be a drone, but I didn't know if it was going to be like the remote controller as well. Oh man, okay, that was really anticlimactic. I'm not disappointed. I mean, I think that you can't even like sell one of those controllers on the black market, so that's a good thing, I guess. I also have these low noise propellers that are really good, and I'm very excited about. This one already has a gimbal cover on it, so this one protects the gimbal while you are traveling with it, but I forgot to send this one back when I sent it in for repair. Okay, so actually this is how I opened it. I opened it like this, and I saw it. Oh, it was just the drone. Upside down. I was going to be like, wow, you guys did a really bad job at packaging this. But no, it's just the drone. And a silica gel packet. Don't eat. Okay, well, that's it for that. Well, now I have 4 batteries. Okay, well, there's the unboxing video. So I really don't know how to do this. Do you go like, oh, here it is! So excited! Set it down there. Silica gel packet. Okay, well, plastic waste, not good for the environment. This is not okay that you've done this. I will be recycling that. Oh man, okay, this is really, this is interesting. Okay, well, I guess thank you guys so much for watching, if you haven't seen my previous review of it, and I'll see you in the next one. Press the subscribe button below if you'd like to get updates when I publish a new video, and press the like button below if you like this video. Comment below if you have any questions for me, and I'll be happy to get back to those. And I'll see you in the next one.